Hi guys, I'm back with another best free VPN video for you and hope you will enjoy. Over the past couple of weeks, I have done lots of research and found a free VPN service with fast speeds and no ads called Privado VPN. This is the best free VPN service I've tried and highly recommend it. If you're looking for a good VPN service, Privado VPN is a zero logs VPN provider, meaning no records of your activity are logged. When you are connected to the VPN, the speeds are fast, the server connections are stable, and they have a free account option that gives you 10 gigabytes of free access each month. The free version includes free mobile and desktop apps, 24-hour customer support, and even support for P2P traffic. You only need a valid email address to get a free account. No personal info or payment details are required, and once you validate your account, through the email address you will receive your username. After that you can start using the service immediately. The free VPN account option gets you access to 12 VPN server locations in popular countries like the US, UK, Germany, France, and Switzerland. If you need access to more servers and need unlimited VPN traffic each month, premium plan options are available for some of lowest prices I've seen from any premium VPN service. One of the unique features about Privado VPN is that it is a zero-logging VPN based in Switzerland, which has the best privacy protection laws in the world. This means it is able to actually enforce its zero logs policy, which is huge if you want to make sure your online traffic is secure. Another notable feature is that no other free VPN offers as much as Privado VPN's free service. You can sign up now, download the app to your device, and instantly protect 10 gigabytes of data every 30 days with no obligation at all. You will also have access to 12 global servers and the most secure VPN protocols available. Best of all, you will still get all the same protections as a paid plan, including IP masking, point-to-point encryption, secure transfers, and support for torrent traffic. A built-in internet kill switch is also available. The free version allows you to connect one device to the VPN at a time, while the premium option opens this up to 10 devices plus access to all their servers in 47 different countries. There is one additional feature that the paid version gets you, which is access to SOCKS 5 proxy servers. SOCKS is an internet protocol that exchanges network packets between a client and server through a proxy server. SOCKS 5 optionally provides authentication, so only authorized users may access a server. This is ideal for P2P users, since it provides you with faster speeds while making sure you still remain anonymous and secure online. With the free or premium option, you can also securely access all popular streaming websites like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and dozens of other services. You can get Privado VPN on any platform like Windows, Android, iOS, macOS, and Linux. Privado VPN can also be configured on your router to secure your entire home or office network. If you face any problem while setting it up, they provide you 24/7 customer service. You will get good customer service regardless of whether you are a paying or free user. Now I will compare Privado VPN pricing with other VPNs like ExpressVPN and NordVPN. As you can see, Privado VPN is well priced compared to ExpressVPN and NordVPN. All plans are cheap, and the service is just as fast, if not faster, and stable. If you are considering any of these options, we recommend starting with Privado VPN as it will save you some money. Privado VPN also gives you 30-day money-back guarantee if you choose a monthly or yearly premium plan. The money-back guarantee will still be available if you first decide to try the free version, then decide to upgrade. That's all for now, and I hope you will find this video helpful. Give this VPN a try. If you like it, please give my video thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to my channel to stay posted on future updates. This is also not a sponsored video. I am reviewing this product because I found it useful and reliable, and I recommend it to my subscribers. If you do want to try the service, I will provide an affiliate link in the video description below. If you decide to sign up through that link, you will be helping to support my channel without any cost to you. I will see you in next video. Till that, goodbye.